Drainage works if it doesn't rain 2 inches an hour. Must not have rained overnight much, because this was totally flooded before I went to bed. There's debris right there at that level. So we got these 3 huge trenches that were filled to the top of water going into that one pipe down there. That trench as well was filled to the top. I even dragged my 200-pound railroad tie bridge. It floated down from way up there. We will see. They're still calling for heavy bands of rain coming through till Friday, but it's looking good. Even the backyard is good.